Hey, this is Dr. Kerry Hall with Ranges Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. We got our patient Micah here today who was recently involved in an auto accident, so he's having some neck pain, a little bit of low back pain as well. We're going to go through an adjustment with Micah here, try to get him back in good shape. So I'm actually going to start with you laying face down here. You can put your arms in the armrests here. And I'm going to just scan for different things up your spine. Let's start here with a leg check. See if your hips are uneven. So pulling you together here. Nothing too bad. A little bit short on this right side. And then moving up here, we're going to check a couple of things. So just feeling his muscles side to side here, see if there's any asymmetries, any differences between left and right. He said he's feeling a little bit more on his right side through his low mid back. You can feel some of the muscle tension. So I'm going to go through the adjustment. I'm going to start with his hips here and work my way up his spine, finishing with the neck. So because that right leg's short here, I'm going to use the drop table. It's starting to level out pretty good there. No tenderness if I push in here?
No.
Alright, lift your right leg, whole leg straight up in the air. Back down. Switch legs. Which one's harder?
The right.
The right one was harder?
Yes.
Okay. Cross your right over your left leg here.
Like
just
this.
like this. We're going to do a couple more drops here, get some of the rotation out of the tailbone that's essentially keeping you from being able to lift that leg. Uncross your legs here. That feels
fine.
okay. Alright, I'm going to adjust the mid back here if you want to come in a little closer for this one. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Switch here and come to the other side. Alright, last one. We're going to do a little bit more, try to relieve a lot of the pressure we're having up here. Have you stand up. Turn, facing this way. Bring your arms up to your side like this. Alright, I'm going to come right underneath you here. You're going to put your hands right on top of mine. You're going to intertwine your fingers and then kind of squeeze them on top of mine and squeeze your elbows together. You're going to look down. You can come in closer for this one. Alright, squeeze the elbows together, look down, and I'm going to lean you back here. Good. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Top?
Yeah.
That should help relieve a lot of the tension up here. A lot of the times with car accidents, you're going to get some ligament damage through the lower part of the neck. There's some of the muscles as well, which can travel into the shoulder and down into the mid back here.